On February 7th, I went to the West District of Wuhan Union Hospital. From the second floor to the 15th, this building has been converted into a level 3 protection quarantine ward for treating seriously ill coronavirus patients. But as I entered one of the wards, I was told that I can't take anything into the quarantine areas, including my cameras.
不行的，我们都没有带东西进去。我们都不能带手机进去。我们里面专门配了一台那个手机，我们自己我掏钱买了一个台手机，1850。我自己买了个新手机放在里面，那个手机是永远都不会拿出来的。除了这个疫情结束了以后，到时候我们把它裱起来，把它留作纪念。
Jin said that whatever goes inside needs to stay inside. The doctors and nurses here have to wear 2 layers of protective suits, hand gloves, shoe covers, face masks, and goggles before entering the special ward.
我的脸都破了。对啊，里面都是水泡，不然的话我这样戴没法戴，太疼了。
Finally, I was led inside with a GoPro, which had to be put into disinfectant for a whole day after filming. The doctors and nurses here have to work 6 hours without rest. They can't drink, eat, or even use the toilet.
林大哥，我们用了那个纸尿布。
你现在穿了吗？
今天没穿。
今天没穿，平时有穿是吗？
有。
那如果说咱们如果想上厕所的话，就只能憋着，是吧？
这个一套防护服300多块钱，我们要这样子才行。
Here I met Dr. Tang Xin, who hasn't been home for 2 weeks.
我是刚给那个一个病人上了一个尿管，然后把那个操作的第3层手法给它抽掉。
Tang said the severely ill patients need special care.
慢慢出现这个氧气不足，那么他的意识就不像刚开始那么清楚，他们会有一些谵妄啊，或者是做一些无意识的活动。这时候你在上呼吸机或者做一些治疗的时候呢，就会有很多困难。但是我们一般都是医生和护士一起协助一起完成。
Since I came into this special ward, the bells of the patients haven't stopped ringing. Nurses have to rush to attend to them all the time. Changing diapers for the patients is part of Nurse Zhu Peipei's job.
我们好多护士上了6个小时班出去之后自己吸氧，自己在吸氧。
吸氧的。
The doctors have had to separate themselves in hotels from their families. When talking about her 3-year-old daughter, Zhu Peipei's voice trembles.
要2个礼拜了，2个礼拜，非常狠。晚上下班很晚，等我回去的时候他都睡了，就是我晚上回了宾馆以后想看视频的时候他已经睡了。
After 6 hours of intensive work, Dr. Tang Xin is finally able to take off his protective gear. He has a rash all over his body.
你工作的时候一直在忙，就也顾不上，反正就感觉没那么痒。对，洗完了以后，把衣服脱完了以后洗完以后。
那要多久会消呢？
可能要休息，就是6到8个小时吧。
Medical workers in Wuhan are facing mounting pressure, but Tang believes the future is bright.
我说潘多拉的盒子已经打开了，然后灾难、恐惧、疾病这些都跳出来了，然后但是这个盒子里面最后的一样东西，就是我们看这个希腊神话里面他说的，就是希望。只要希望还在，那么之前的所有这些都不会是什么问题。
It's people like this who give hope that one day China can overcome this battle against the virus. 葛云飞 CGTN 武汉